Hello, my name is Professor Elinor Ben-Menachem. I am an American, as you hear, but I live in Gothenburg, Sweden. And today I'm going to talk to you about managing epilepsy through this pandemic that we are faced with today. I work with epilepsy and have worked with epilepsy for many years. I am on the board of directors of the American Epilepsy Society, and I have published very much, especially about managing patients with epilepsy and their treatment. Therefore, I hope that I will be able to give you real practical tips about how to help our patients through this pandemic. They are often isolated and alone, and they really need our guidance. And I would like to thank Lupin for the initiative that we can have this presentation, and for DocMode, who is implementing this and making sure that we will have a good presentation.